Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I wanted to take you guys along with me as I get ready for a workout. It is currently 5:30 in the evening right now, and I usually work out at 6 o'clock in the evening, and I wanted to take you guys along with what I do and how I actually mentally prepare to work out as well, because that's one of the biggest questions I get is how do you stay motivated to kind of go work out every single day. So in this video I'm just going to do that, and you will see how I go from this to this. So as you can see that I have a lot of makeup on, jewelry, I'm wearing a dress. Obviously I'm not going to work out that way. I'm actually kind of sad to remove this makeup. It is so nice. I'm going to list all of the products down in the description box that I used for this look. I actually did it on an online session. For those of you guys who don't know, I actually do beauty sessions online where I teach you how to do your own makeup. I also help you personally shop for the makeup that you need, so you can get in touch with me in case you would want to do a personal one-on-one session. I actually never reach out to colors like this. It's beautiful khaki smoky eye, and the reason why I did it is because the girl that was doing the session with me, she had this beautiful eyeshadow palette with colors like this, and I scrambled around and I found colors that were similar that I had never touched, and I'm like, why did I never do this? And now I'm actually sad to remove this makeup. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is actually put my hair up onto a bun, and it is actually very easy. I just take my hair up, twist it like so, and then take an elastic and secure it like so. And then one of the biggest things that work out for my hair is these sort of claw clips. Without that, whenever I'm jumping, my hair kind of opens out, and this is the only way I can make the buns stay, so I just do that. Next, let's open up the earring and let's quickly remove my makeup. I'm so sad to remove this. Alright, so first I'm going to take some Bioderma onto 2 cotton pads, and I'm gently massaging that. So that's going to pretty much remove most of it. I'm going to take a little bit of the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm and massage that all over my face. I also like to take it a little bit onto my eyes so that any of the remaining mascara is broken down. So now I'm just going to go to the washroom and just splash some water, massage it some more, and wash it all off using face wash. I will be taking a shower right after I work out, so I'm not going to use a lot of skincare at the moment. I'm just taking a little bit of my Clinique Moisture Surge, and I'm using that all over my face. So this is the right amount of hydration. And for face wash today, I actually used my Face Shop Jeju Volcanic facial cleanser. It is very cleansing, so I needed that to get rid of all of the makeup off my face. I'm going to put on a little bit of the Laneige lip sleeping mask. So I just got ready. I wore my sports bra. I'm wearing this pant. These are from H&M, and my sports bra is from Decathlon. And I feel like as soon as you are in your workout clothes, it just completely changes your entire mindset. This is the best way to motivate yourself to start working out. Just get into your workout clothes, and it just gets me into the zone, and as soon as I'm wearing, oh hi Shadow, didn't realize you were here, and as soon as I am done wearing my shoes, I just am completely into the workout zone. Shadow, come on. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Do you want to work out with me? Okay, let me tell you one more thing as I'm wearing my shoe, and I think this is one of the most important things that I learned. My socks are from Fila, by the way, and my shoes are Puma. I think it is one of the best things that my trainer kind of keeps mentioning, and it is his 10 minutes rule. So basically, no matter what and how you're feeling and how lazy you're feeling and how demotivated you are, just show up to your mat or wherever you work out. Just show up for 10 minutes. Put an alarm and just tell yourself that you will just work out for 10 minutes. And as soon as the bell rings, you're gonna stop, right? So do that, get yourself ready, and then go show up at the mat. Tell yourself just 10 minutes. And as soon as, I think 10 minutes would be what, your warm up and a little bit of the workout. And as soon as you're in the flow, I promise you, you're not going to stop. You're going to continue working out. And next thing you know, you are a sweaty mess and it's been an hour of you working out. I also always wear my Apple Watch whenever I am working out. It really helps me to track my workouts. I use the activity feature and turn my workouts on. A lot of people actually ask me where my strap is from. The watch in itself is from Apple, and the strap is from this brand called Unique. They spell it as UNIQ, and I bought it from the Apple store itself, but I'm pretty sure you can find it online too. If I can, I'm gonna link it down below. Let me quickly show you how I like to use my Apple Watch while I'm working out. I like to go to the workout feature, and here you can actually calculate how much time you're going to, kind of do the program, how many calories and everything. So you just select whatever you're doing. These are my most common workout. So I usually do high intensity, then I do yoga a lot, then I have functional training. Strength training are the days when I'm doing a lot of weights, and then outdoor walk, outdoor run is completely gone, for I haven't done that in months. And then lots and lots and lots of options. So today I think I'm going to select high intensity. That's what we're going to do, and I usually start it while I am about to do the workout. So once I start this, it kind of calculates my heart rate, it calculates how many calories I have burned. So yeah, for me this is really helpful. Please understand that you don't really need an Apple Watch. I'm sure a lot of other accessories and phones kind of do similar things. For me, the reason I got this was because this was a gift to myself. So I also like to kind of put some carrots. So I told myself that if I am going to work out every single day for a month, last May I believe, then I would gift myself an Apple Watch, and that's what I did. And it's one of the best purchases I've ever made because I use it so much. Okay, so let me show you how I like to see what workout we have today. So this is Suraj's private 20 days page, and every day he puts out that day's workout, right? So today's workout is core mange more. We are gonna die. This is the beginner level. Then we have the intermediate level, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I just like to kind of study this. This is where I usually set up my mat. I actually got a new mat. You can see it right there. It's from a Decathlon, and this is the first time I'm going to use it, so I'm very excited. 3 minutes to go for my workout. And we are almost ready. I like to watch him live on my laptop. I just find it to be easier. And at 6 o'clock, I think he's gonna go live any second now. Just refreshing the page, and he's live.
Hi guys, good evening. It's 6 p.m. and day 17.
So while people are joining in, I wanted to also quickly show you what I like to eat before I work out. It's usually dates. I like to have 2 to 3 dates. I've already had it before I started filming because I like to eat it at least 40 to 35 minutes before my workout, and it fell off. And it usually helps with energy, that burst of energy before I start working out.
Okay, class. Also jumping jacks. You can give me 20 underneath claps, then again marching, then again march a little, then again underneath claps. Everyone, come on.
I also like to use the timer feature, as you can see, to kind of time my planks. So I just go into the timer and set whatever time I'd like to, set up for the workout. So I'm in between sets now, and one of the most important things that you need to be prepared with before you go workout is to stay hydrated. I like to use a sippy mug like this because I don't know, I just find it easier to kind of sip between sets. So yeah, stay hydrated, guys. Okay, so it's been 28 minutes of me working out and I didn't even realize. So this is why the 10-minute rule just works so beautifully. You just show up to the mat and you won't even realize that it's been 30 minutes of you working out. So I'm just gonna go back and collect my breath and finish this workout. I usually work out for 1 hour.
20 seconds up. Now arms under your back in 15 crunches. And just simple 20-second leg raises, guys. All this leg movement here should come from your core. Let's go for it, guys. 3, 2, and let's go. Come on, victors. By now, I'm very sure you guys will do this. Give me the thumbs up.
The first thing I do after workout is actually feed them. Yes, Shadow, I'm talking about you. Sushi is currently sleeping. So after 20 to 30 minutes of my workout, I like to drink my protein shake. So these are all kinds of proteins that I have. These are plant-based and that's a whey-based one. So these are my Ace blend ones. That's the vanilla flavor. We've got the cocoa flavor. And then I also am trying these two from Clinique. This is for when you do cardio, any form of cardio workout. I actually really like the taste of this. And then we also have your building block. This is for whenever you're doing strength training. And then this whey one is also from this Indian brand. It's called Avatar. This is their cafe mocha swirl flavor and I really love that flavor. Yeah, so that's what I like to drink right after my workout. And post workout, obviously I jump into my shower, and in my shower I actually use the Aven cleansing gel. So that really helps with like breakouts and acne, and those are all the other things that I kind of use interchangeably. I also have a couple of more things here. This is a makeup remover from Kiehl's. We've got 2 Innisfree body washes and this Goodbye Yellow shampoo from Schwarzkopf. And on days that I don't wash my hair, I use a liberal amount of organic dry shampoo. This one's from Juicy Chemistry. I actually have another video where I show you how I use this. So that was it for this video. I really hope this was helpful. I hope this was insightful, and I really hope that it was motivating for you guys. It's 3:40 in the night right now, and I'm just editing the video. And I have Shadow to give me company. She sleeps here with me the entire night. She's so cute. She is the cutest little bunny. She's a monkey. That's what she is. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know you guys really enjoy vlogs, and I hope you like this one as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.